Welcome to TJ Works Wood, everybody. My name's TJ, and welcome back for part 2 of my bandsaw build. Part 1 will be linked down in the description or up here, and it is concerning the frame. Build that in video 1. Video 2, we are going to be looking at the wheels and wheel mounting systems and how that all works out. And yeah, join me and let's see if it actually works. Spoiler alert, it does. That's so cool. All right.
I'm using maple here for the upper slide mounts for the upper wheel bracket. You'll see I might not have needed to use hardwood, but better safe than sorry. I thought hardwood would be the best option here.
All right, mark the insides, and then we come out. You gotta convert centimeters, so this is gonna be 70.5, 77, so 4.
In the upper mounts, I'm just cutting these notches in so the actual mechanism can slide up and down. Granted, it won't have to slide up and down that far, but I want it to slide smoothly, so I want to get all this pretty exact in order to have just smooth operation. Later, you'll see that the mechanism won't have to slide up and down that far in reality. And I drilled quite a few holes in the mounts to mount it to the frame. I feel weird because like they're not straight, and I enjoy having some, everything line up, but it gets the job done. You're not really going to see them, so I'm not too worried. But I did want to go ahead and countersink the screws because I did not want them interfering with anything.
All right, so this needs to, let's see, there we go.
I'm using walnut here for the frame and actual body of the sliding mechanism that helps to get blade tension and also helps to track the blade on the wheel to keep it in the center up on the top of the crown. So I don't know if you need to use a hardwood. I prefer to use a hardwood on something like this because I want the least amount of flex in the wood, and I believe that hardwood is the best way to go. So I could be wrong. Let me know in the comments, but in my head, this seemed like the best option.
That's 1 5/8. Okay, so I learned this on Chris Solomone's channel, 4 Ice. You take an 1/8 inch drill bit and you put it there, and this is like doing, I don't know, like a half mortise or something, but this is 1/8 inch, so that means that we take the 1 inch piece here and add the kerf of the blade thickness, which is 1/8, and then we take this off. Boom, you do that, and then when we cut it, it's going to be, it should be exactly the same size as this. So let's give this a shot. So got the upper wheel mount made, so I just got to glue it and clamp it together. Then we're gonna level them up. Okay, let's do that. All right, spline time. Right here, lines up. I'm gonna try to do. He does 4s, but let's see what we can get away with.
The plans called for these splines, but I would do them anyway because the amount of strength and rigidity it adds to corners. And this particular frame here is going to have a lot of pressure on it with the blade tensioning and the tracking on the wheel. But we'll just sand it up and then square it up, add the tracking guides to it, drill out the top here for the carriage bolt so we can tension the blade, add this piece of metal here so the tracking screw won't dig into the wood, and then make sure that the actual axle and wheel bracket fit. But wait a minute, when did that get built? The glue had to dry in the frame, so I built that. So let's see how that goes together.
All right, let's glue all this together, see how we do. Oh, that's probably too much glue, but oh well. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna cut or drill, I guess, the 1-inch shaft hole. And I just wanted to say, I got this Miles Craft portable drill press. I don't know if that's exactly what it's called, but that's what I'll call it today. And I got it because I saw a John Malicki video where he said this was a game changer, and it's one of those things I've been wanting to build one or buy one for quite a long time, and just decided the other day I was at Woodcraft and just decided, like, I'm gonna get it. I love Woodcraft. They're super helpful, and yeah, like, I've used it a few times and I really do like it. So if you got the means and you don't have a drill press, or you have a smaller drill press, this might be something you might want to check out because it's really cool. So yeah, let's drill this shaft hole. Let's get it down there about there. Oh, you know what? 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch spade big. Here we go. All right. Now, as we already know, this is a pretty deep cut. So what we're gonna do is nothing, because it actually drilled all the way through. I thought we were gonna have to drill a second smaller pilot hole to reverse drill here. Did it get, man, that's literally, it just got into the table. That's literally the perfect driving depth for this. Okay, cool. Let's get this finished up.
And here we are just putting the tracking mechanism together at the top. The astute viewer will notice that here in a second, this gets moved. I put it on A, the wrong side, and B, at the wrong position. So, oops, but oh well. It still works. Here you'll notice there's another hole there. It's functionally works, beauty not so much. And here, these cutoffs that I had are actually going to be the perfect spring mechanisms for the top of this device.
All right, got everything put together. Use these springs. All right.
So everybody, thank you so much for sticking around and watching this. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it. I was going to do the wheels in this video as well, but it's getting a little long, so I decided I'm going to break this up and make a third bandsaw build video that works with the wheels and putting everything together. And as you can see, I've already got it together from the very beginning of this video, and it's coming together great, and I'm really happy with the progress so far. So go ahead and like and subscribe, hit the bell if you want to see when the videos come out, and leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Tell me what I could do better, could do worse, you know, all that fun stuff. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, bye-bye.